Thanks very much, Rahesha. We are bringing you live this coverage, which we are beginning at this moment from the central Delhi, the heart of the national capital. And it was gripped with tension, with fear when the demolition drive started here late last night. I just want to first show you around right now. The debris clearing operation is going on. You will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bulldozers, some heavy machinery movers also there. Trucks have been lined up. In fact, 7. One is there right behind me as well. And this entire area is now being cleared of the debris after the demolition took place in this area. But that came with a lot of tension. Before I get you the sequence of events, because NDTV was the only channel which was reporting live as this entire demolition happened, the violence ensued, and then, of course, the police action. This is the entire mangled debris which is left. The point of contention was, of course, the fear that this mosque, the Elahi Mosque, which is right next to the Ramlila Maidan, which you are seeing behind me, in fact, on my screen at this moment, this is on the Aruna Asif Ali Marg, and this is just adjacent to the Ramlila Maidan, the iconic Ramlila Maidan of Delhi. And in the vicinity of this mosque, just short of 1 acre, this entire structure which has been demolished is the structure, the mangled remains that you see of the, of the steel and of the concrete, which has been completely demolished and now is being cleared, is the remains of a library, a dispensary, and also a marriage hall, which was constructed illegally on this land. Now, earlier, a few years back, the Ramlila committee had, in fact, petitioned against this illegal structure. Since then, the court hearing is going on. Last year, the court gave an order of demolition of this. In January, the MCD came here and told the people that this will be demolished. There were some meetings that took place as well. But when finally yesterday 30 bulldozers lined up in this area, this is a very congested area of Old Delhi. This is the heart of Old Delhi, the original Delhi 6 area, the heart, which you know as far as Delhi is concerned. Chandni Chowk, Jama Masjid, all those areas are in the vicinity. And behind that old structure, the very important historical structure that you see is the Turkman Gate. Now, this used to be at one of the very important entry points in the old Mughal era Delhi. Now, the contention of the people was, the rumor mongering was that the demolition is of this Elahi Mosque. That was not the case. Stone pelting happened, and then it became a very, very tense situation. I want to very quickly take you through, ladies and gentlemen, to the sequence of events, to what happened yesterday night when the demolition process started. In fact, video shows a lot of massive amount of crowd. My colleague, Pooja Arya, is trying to give you the best vantage point to get you the best visuals as we speak from here. So when the people came to this very place, there was a lot of assembly of the locals. Huge police presence was in fact given to try and ensure that there is no law and order situation. But as the bulldozers like these rolled in, what happened was a lot of people came, rumors of mosque being demolished started, and then of course a huge mob mobilized. And the mobilization of the mob resulted in stone pelting as well. An eyewitness speaking to NDTV claimed that the police during the demolition drive, this whole attack was pre-planned. In fact, later MP MP Nadvi was also spotted on the encroachment drive site, and the Delhi police have so far arrested 5 people. The MP has said that why was the police here in the night? The mosque committee has already approached the court. There is a hearing which is happening on the 22nd of April. What was the haste? But the question is, if there was no stay, then why was there violence when the police had already been talking to the people? And the other question also is, could this have been avoided? Could the authorities would have waited till 22nd of April once the court finally decided, the High Court finally decided on this. Before I move on, I want to play out some reactions on this. Take a look at what the police said, eyewitnesses, and also the Member of Parliament from Samajwadi Party, Mr. Nadvi, spoke about this.
सिकंदर अली डिलाइट के पीछे रहता हूँ। तकरीबन 150-200 लोग थे।
कहाँ से, बाहर से आए थे, यहीं से?
यहीं के हैं सारे।
तो पत्थर फेंके थे इन्होंने, ऊपर से फेंके थे? घर
पथराव हुआ है, यहीं से हुआ है।
तो ये पहले से तय किया गया था कि ऐसा कुछ करना है जब पुलिस आएगी, या फिर अचानक हुआ, एकदम उसी वक्त हुआ?
नहीं, ये पहले से ही तय करा गया था, जो ये काम हमें करना है या नहीं करना है। लोग बागों ने ये पहले से प्लानिंग बना रखी,
इकट्ठा पहले ही करना है, ऐसा जानकारी?
जी।
तुर्कमान गेट हिंसा में कुल 5 पुलिसकर्मी घायल हुए हैं। उनमें से 2 पुलिसकर्मी मेरे साथ हैं। पहले हैं कांस्टेबल विक्रम, जिनके सर पर काफ़ी गहरी चोटें आई हैं। इसके अलावा शरीर के दूसरे हिस्सों में भी काफ़ी चोटें आई हैं। विक्रम, कल आप ड्यूटी पर थे, उस दौरान क्या कुछ हुआ था?
जी, कल हमारी ड्यूटी 11:30 बजे रात के SHO साहब चांदनी महल के साथ थी हमारी ड्यूटी। टाइम से हम पहुंच गए थे, काफ़ी पहले से ही काफ़ी भीड़ इकट्ठा थी वहाँ पे फिर एक भीड़ को बोला काफ़ी चले जाओ यहाँ से। काफ़ी चली भी गई थी समझाने से, पर काफ़ी भीड़ वहाँ पे अजमंजिल के वहाँ पे ही खड़ी हो गई थी। बैरिकेड भी लगा दिए थे। तो 3 रास्ते होते हैं वहाँ, उसे एक रास्ते में से वो ज़्यादा बंदे थे, उसको बंद करने के चक्कर में वहीं से पत्थरबाजी चालू हो गए थे।
तो कितने लोग होंगे जो पथराव कर रहे होंगे?
जी, पत्थरबाजी तो वो तीनों रोड भरे ही थे सर। हाँ, एस्टिमेट लगा नहीं जा सकता, मेरे हिसाब से 2000 के आसपास तो होंगे।
1000 के आसपास लोग?
काफ़ी।
तो क्या ये भीड़ अचानक से आई थी कि आप पहले से इकट्ठा हो रही? बड़ी
मस्जिद वाली गली है
ये। हाँ, पता नहीं, अचानक से पहले से भी हो रही थी थोड़ी बहुत, तो फिर और अचानक बाद में आ गई।
तो ये पथराव कब तक चला, कितनी देर पथराव चला?
जी, 12:30 के बाद में पथराव चालू हो गया था, और ये थोड़ी देर तो चला था, फिर हमें लग गई थी साहब को, SHO साहब को चोट लगी थी, और फिर मुझे लगी। फिर हम वहाँ से साहब को लेकर हॉस्पिटल चले गए।
तो तीनों गलियों से पथराव हो रहा था?
सर, ये तो तीनों से तो नहीं देखा, पर जो एक गली थी ना, उससे तो मैंने देखा था, वहाँ से आए थे।
और आपने जो बैरिकेटिंग की थी, वो कितने लेयर की बैरिकेटिंग की थी, और क्या बैरिकेटिंग उन्होंने तोड़ दिया था?
हाँ, 2 या 3 बैरिकेड लगा दिए थे वहाँ पे। फिर उसको वो धक्का मुक्की देख करके वो तो हटा दिए थे उन्होंने।
अच्छा, भीड़ में जो लोग थे वो क्या बातें कर रहे थे, क्या नारेबाजी कर रहे थे? कोई नारा सुना आपने वहाँ पे?
जी, बस सर, मैंने तो एक ही नारा सुना था सर। ऐसे बोला था एक आदमी, तुम्हारा खून ठंडा पड़ गया, सो गया तुम्हारा खून, ये ऐसे नारे दे रहे थे।
तो आपको चोट लगने के बाद फिर आपको कौन लेकर गया वहाँ से?
चोट, ये पत्थर लगा, मुझे थोड़ा सा चक्कर आ गया, तो एक आउटर फोर्स वालों ने थोड़ा सा सहारा दे के आगे कर दिया था। तो फिर ये बाद में फिर ये सर थे साथ में, इनको लेकर हम चले गए थे, सर को लेकर।
There are many eyewitnesses who did accept the fact that it was completely pre-planned. The call was given. They, in fact, gathered at a place, a pre-decided place, and then they completely ran towards the area in which we are observing the videos as well, where the mob could be seen pelting stones. Do you think that this could be an orchestrated attack? And if it is, then will that angle be also probed?
Absolutely. Of course, while we are investigating, no possibility will be ruled out. We have registered an FIR under appropriate sections of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Section 121, Section 223, Section 3 of Damage to Public Property Act, and sections of rioting also. We have given the investigation to special staff, which is also probing the angle from social media misuse or certain handles sending certain reels or provoking the people. Those aspects are also being investigated, which are the part of conspiracy. And we are right now we have arrested 5 of the individuals in the said FIR, and make sure we have made sure that the process of encroachment removal gets completed in time, and the debris removal also gets completed in time.
The debris is being removed under massive police surveillance, but there is some breaking news coming in at this moment. All the 5 arrested accused have now been identified by the Delhi police. In fact, the police says that one of the accused has been identified as Kashif. Other one is Mohammad Kaif, Mohammad Arib, Adnan and Sameer. These are the ones, those who have been arrested. All of them are residents of various gullies around this area. Remember, this is the old Delhi, the heart of Delhi, Delhi 6, the essence of Delhi. Very congested bylanes in this entire area, and all of them are residents of this very area. My colleague Tejshri, who has been continuously since early morning been tracking the developments on this story, is with me. Tejshri, 5 accused have been identified. The police say that they are also in the process of ensuring or investigating whether it was a pre-planned conspiracy, whether there was social media used to try and instigate people. What are you picking up from your sources?
Well, absolutely, 5 accused have been arrested in this entire case, but not just that, there are many who in fact came with a black mask so as to hide their identity as well. And in fact, there was an eyewitness who in fact, while speaking to NDTV, mentioned so as to how not just 30 to 35, but there were around 150 to 200 individuals who gathered, who decided that where they have to gather, at what time they have to gather, and in what manner they have to carry out this entire stone pelting incident. And then the stone pelting incident actually broke out around 12:40. It was the time we also in fact was the first channel who accessed the FIR, and 12:40 was the time when the mob came over here. They started pelting stones, in which five policemen along with some of the MCD officials were also injured. Now needs to be seen that how the social media handles will be scanned, because there are videos that were posted by some of the users who very much stay over here. They also went live from their social media handles as well.
But the question also is, Tejshri, why was it done in the night? I mean, there have been some Aman committee meetings which took place before this entire thing happened. I can still see, Pooja will show you, there is a massive police arrangement as well here. And, the police vans are also parked here. The one that you see putting out a message as well that police deserves your trust. That trust is the question, isn't it? That could the police have done it better? Why was this rumor? Was there any intelligence that this kind of rumor is spreading before this entire demolition started?
Well, the sources reveal that police was very much prepared that some kind of untoward incident could take place, and that is why they decided to carry out this anti-encroachment drive in the midnight. And the people were in fact continuously announcements were made that the people should not step out. We also in fact accessed those videos from which the police were continuously making arrangements as well. However, the police goes on to say that it was within 5 to 6 minutes that the situation was brought under control. But there was this rumor spread, yes, that the religious place over here, which is just behind you, will also be demolished, will also be is under encroachment, and that will also be removed. So perhaps that is why the sentiments of people were hurt and they tried to gather in large number, is what we are picking up from the locals.
Right, so Tejshri is reporting continuously. She'll keep getting us the details and we'll keep going back. That's the Ilahi Mosque that we are speaking about. This is where the people thought that along with the demolition of what is taking place, the illegal structure which has been declared by the High Court, that mosque could also come under some sort of demolition, and this is what enraged people to come out. Whether it was spontaneous anger. Look at this behind me, this bulldozer right now. The debris clearing operation is going on, but the debris clearing operation is on with a massive police presence all around us. I will show you. Tejshri, just give Pooja that corner. This just behind this truck, there is huge police presence, including senior officials of the Delhi police, those who are present at this moment, ensuring that no untoward incident takes place while this operation is going on. While you are staying on these visuals, let me also very quickly, ladies and gentlemen, tell you about the FIR that NDTV has accessed. Tejshri accessed this FIR as well. The details of what the FIR says, because the police has now registered multiple FIRs in this entire matter. Number one, of course, the bulldozer action. The police said it was only on the illegal structure. There was no attempt to, in any way, to in fact come even close to the mosque or put the mosque in any sort of danger. The police also says that it was made clear that there is no action on the mosque. 30 to 35 people raised slogans against the police, and then they have identified Shahnawaz, Asif, Kashif, Adnan and Kaif in the crowd. Those who were in fact later also a few of them were arrested as well. The mob started pelting stones on the police. These are some relevant sections that the police has now invoked as far as the FIR is concerned. I want to now also play out for our viewers, because politics on this has started. On one hand is the Bharatiya Janata Party, on the other the opposition led by the Aam Aadmi Party here in the national capital. But I first want to play out for you what Samajwadi Party MP Mr. Nadvi had said, because he was present when this entire exercise was taking place. Listen in.
जी वेलकम। हाँ, मैं गया था रात
जी।
जब मुझे ये इत्तला मिली कि एक भारी डिप्लॉयड होने के बाद अभी कोई हाई कोर्ट से आर्डर भी नहीं आया है और मस्जिद को जो है वो नुकसान पहुंचाने की गरज से जो है वो इंतजामिया कर रहा है, तो हमारे खदशात इसलिए भी थे कि इससे पहले मेहरौली में रातों रात एक मस्जिद के साथ मस्जिद अखुन जी की, जिसकी हमने पार्लियामेंट में भी आवाज उठाई थी कि ऐसा हो सकता है। हम वहाँ गए, देखा बहुत भीड़ है और डिप्लॉयड भी है, तो हमने भीड़ से शांति रहने की अपील की और वीडियो भी हमारे होंगे, हम अपील कर रहे हैं। और उसके बाद हम मस्जिद कमेटी अंदर बैठी थी, मस्जिद कमेटी से बात की हमने, तो उन्होंने कहा कि अभी 12 फरवरी तक जो है हमारे पास टाइम था कि इसके इंतजामिया इसको टाल सकता था एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, कि अभी क्या कहते हैं। और इससे पहले अभी 2-4 दिन पहले हमारे किबला शाही इमाम साहब बुखारी साहब मिले भी थे कि भाई इसका एक सही समाधान निकाला जा सके। लेकिन रातों रात इस तरह से, मतलब सच्ची श्रद्धा, हम लोग शपथ लेते हैं और इंतजामिया भी शपथ लेती है कि सच्ची श्रद्धा से काम करना है। किसी वर्ग का अगर कोई मैटर है तो उसको जो है आपस में इफाम तफहीम से और क्या हकीकत है, क्या सच्चाई है, कागजात खंगालने का भी मौका दिया जाता है। अभी जेर अदालत है मामला, लेकिन जिस तरह से एक ऐसा लगता है कि खास वर्ग को उकसावे की कार्रवाई के लिए इस तरह के टाइम और इस तरह की भीड़ और इस तरह की चीजें की जाती हैं, जिससे ये दुख होता है कि सच्ची श्रद्धा से हमारी जनता काम नहीं कर रही।
You know, there are two important aspects to it. Number one, of course, as Mr. Mr. Nadvi was saying, that the police should have taken people in confidence. The court has given, the mosque committee went there, and the court has given them time. There is a hearing which is going to take place on the 22nd, but the fact also remains that the court did not give any stay. Could there have been done more to, in fact, resolve this situation without this sense of grievance as far as the particular, as far as the Muslim community here around this area is concerned? All those questions are very important questions, but what happened last night and any kind of violence in that aspect can't be justified. People could have protested, but stone pelting is something that the Delhi police now is taking a very serious view of. There was a lot of tension as well when it happened last night. I want to play out a report that my colleague Ashwini Singh, in fact, was at the spot midnight when this entire action was taking place. Take a look at this report.
फैज़-ए-इलाही मस्जिद के इस वक्त हम बाहर हैं और ये दिखाने की कोशिश करेंगे 12:30 बज रहे रात को। इस वक्त यहाँ पर जो भीड़ है, जो यहाँ पर लोग हैं, यहाँ पे पुलिस की बैरिकेडिंग की हुई है, तमाम लोग जो उस साइड हैं, और इसके अलावा जो मस्जिद है, मस्जिद के अंदर भी जो पुलिस है, अभी लगातार जो कमेटी के लोग हैं उनसे मुलाकात, उनसे बातचीत की जा रही है, इस पूरे मामले को सुलझाने की कोशिश की जा रही है। पुलिस माइक लगाकर लोगों को एहतियातन बता रही है कि जो तमाम लोग हैं वो इस पूरे एरिया को खाली कर दें। देखिए, ये जो लोग हैं इनको पुलिस यहाँ से हटाने की कोशिश कर रही है, लेकिन यहाँ पर कुछ लोग नारेबाजी कर रहे हैं। इससे कुछ समय पहले हमने देखा कि यहाँ पर जो लोग थे, जब पुलिस ने इनको हटाने की कोशिश की यहाँ से, तो यहाँ पे बुलडोजर जो बैरिकेड्स हैं उसको गिराने की कोशिश की गई, कुछ बुलडोजर कुछ बैरिकेड्स को गिराए भी गए। आप प्रदर्शन देख रहे हैं, जो तो पुलिस की टीम है वो इसी को लेकर है कि ये जो अतिक्रमण है इसको हटाया जा सके, और इसको लेकर अभी हाई कोर्ट में केस भी चल रहा है और MCD ने कहा है कि ये ज़मीन उसकी है, उसका हक बनता है और इसलिए इस अतिक्रमण को हटाया जाए। दिल्ली के तुर्कमान गेट के पास स्थित फैज़-ए-इलाही मस्जिद के जो अतिक्रमण था उसको रात को 2 बजे करीब दिल्ली पुलिस और MCD की पूरी संयुक्त कार्रवाई में तोड़ दिया गया। और मेरे पीछे आप जो देख रहे हैं, तमाम करीब 20 से ज़्यादा बुलडोज़र और डंपर की गाड़ियां लगी हुई हैं। सभी नगर निगम के करीब 12 नगर निगम जोन की पूरी टीमें यहाँ पर लगातार काम कर रही हैं। आधे घंटे से ये पूरे बुलडोजर एक्शन की कार्रवाई चल रही है। 2 बुलडोजर, आपको ये जो मेन गेट है, यही रोड है जो आगे मस्जिद की तरफ जाता है, और यही गेट था, मेन गेट था, जिसके जरिए आप जो बारात घर और डिस्पेंसरी बनाई गई थी जो अवैध था, उसका ये गेट था। ये उसी मेन गेट को अभी यहाँ पर बुलडोजर एक्शन के जरिए गेट को पहले तोड़ा गया है, और ये जो दीवार है, ये मेन गेट की दीवार है, और उसके पीछे अगर आप देखेंगे तो बुलडोजर की कार्रवाई के जरिए, बुलडोजर के जरिए पूरी दीवार को तोड़ दिया गया। और इस दीवार के जो पीछे का हिस्सा है वो हिस्सा ही जो आगे चल के रामलीला मैदान है उसको जोड़ता है। देखिए बुलडोजर की लगातार आप जहां देखेंगे कैमरा विजुअल्स में आपको दिखाएंगे, हर जगह आपको बुलडोजर की गाड़ियां, बुलडोजर और डंपर की गाड़ियां दिखेंगी, जहां पर एक बुलडोजर के जरिए पहले दीवारों को तोड़ा गया, उस मलबे को उठाकर इन डंपर की गाड़ियों में भरा जा रहा ताकि इन्हें खाली करके पूरे इलाके को साफ कर दिया जाए, क्योंकि अभी रात के 2 बज रहे हैं और पूरी कोशिश है प्रशासन की, एमसीडी की, कि इस पूरे एरिया को सुबह होने से पहले ही खाली कर दिया जाए। और क्योंकि हाई कोर्ट का आदेश था, कोर्ट का आदेश था, उसी के आदेश का पालन करने के कारण ही दिल्ली पुलिस और एमसीडी की टीम ने ये जो अवैध था, अतिक्रमण था जो बारात घर मस्जिद से सटा हुआ, उस पूरे इंक्रोचमेंट को रात 2 बजे आज गिरा दिया है।
I want to show you the urgency that is being shown here, of course, to try and clear the debris out after the demolition drive. 7 these JCB earth mover machines were already here. 4 have just rolled in, one after another. But remember, there are political connotations which are attached as far as this bulldozer is concerned, especially when it started few years back in Uttar Pradesh, the bulldozer justice. Many saw this as a sign of oppression towards a particular community. So that also, in fact, has become in a way some sort of a scene where people get enraged. They see targeting, as far as the minority community is concerned. And while these heavy earth movers are on their job, there is heavy politics which is also going on this matter from Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi, calling this, an unfortunate event, saying that the mosque is perfectly legal. Why are people being threatened like that? To Imran Masood of the Congress party and also Mr. Hassan of the Samajwadi party, both of them not only said that it is condemnable, but also went on to say that the target was the mosque. On the other hand, the BJP has said that the political parties are trying to communalize a decision which has been made by the court. Listen in.
सवाल इस बात का है कि जब दिल्ली में अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की सरकार थी तो मुद्दे क्या थे? स्वास्थ्य, शिक्षा, रोजगार के मुद्दे थे, प्रदूषण की बात होती थी, झाग दिखाते थे भाजपा के लोग। आज उन सब मुद्दों को भूल गए। जब से भाजपा की सरकार बनी है, नफरत की राजनीति दिल्ली में शुरू हो गई है, बंटवारे की राजनीति शुरू हो गई, घरों को तोड़ने की राजनीति शुरू हो गई। तो जब सरकार बदली तो मुद्दे बदल गए तो आज शिक्षा की कोई बात नहीं करता, रोजगार की कोई बात नहीं करता। इसलिए भाजपा की मंशा पे सवाल है, उन लोगों की मंशा पे सवाल है जो याचिकाएं दाखिल कर रहे हैं।